recharge, live well. Think health and wellness.
Hi there, future origami masters! Today, we'll show you how to make a dog origami. Step 1. Start off with a square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally. Step 2. Fold it in half again, side to side to form a crease in the middle. Then open it back up. Step 3. Fold both top corners down to make the puppy's floppy ears. Step 4. Fold up the tip at the bottom slightly. This creates the chin. Step 6. Draw on a cute face. Add eyes, a nose, and a happy smile. And there you have it, a simple dog origami. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!